Peppa Pig.
Welcome to the world of Peppa Pig. Pick a level for this activity. Peppa and Mummy Pig are doing some shopping today. Can you find one apple to add to the trolley? Can you find 2 bananas to add to the trolley? Can you find 3 pears to add to the trolley? You are very good at counting. Count the number of items on the conveyor belt and tap the correct number on the till. 1 apple. How many bananas can you see? 2 bananas. How many pears can you see? 3 pears. Can you help Peppa pack the items into the shopping basket? 1 apple. 2 bananas. 3 pears. Well done. You have packed all of the shopping. Peppa and Mummy Pig are doing some shopping today. Can you find 1 apple to add to the Pick a level for this activity. Peppa and Pick a level for this activity. Mummy Pig has a lot of washing to do today. Can you help her? Swipe the clothes from the basket into the washing machine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The washing machine is filling up with lots of soapy water. The washing machine is very loud and shaky. Can you help sort the clean clothes into the correct baskets? You are a clever clogs. Peppa and Susie have made a mess. 1 2 3 4
together. Well done!
Pick a level for this activity. Spot the difference.